Okay guys, so I have another pumpkin spice food item for you. I look bald if my ponytail ain't to the side. And I look so fuzzy. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, another pumpkin spice food review for you. I still got my breakfast in here. I got in my car after work. I said, why it smells so weird in here? I forgot I had left my breakfast that I could not eat this morning. I'm not a breakfast food person. Like, as early as I got to get up now, I just cannot eat like that. I just can't. Like, it's almost like forcing myself. I took a few bites, but it made my car funky. Anyway, I got to do this video long ways because I don't have my camera tripod in here. They have the pumpkin spice. My hand's crusty. Pumpkin spice milkshake. This is the regular size pumpkin spice milkshake. I asked for whipped cream and a cherry. I feel like all the flavor is right here. So, and I don't think I seen anything about caramel, because you would think this probably looks like caramel, but in real life it's super orange. I don't know if the camera really picking that up, but yeah, this is it. They gave me a straw, and they also gave me a spoon. Yum, yum, yum. How can you mess up whipped cream? That is good. That's good. I don't know what's going on with this deposit of flavoring, but I'm drinking straight from the bottom. And it is super flavorful. Definitely is very pumpkin-y. It's spicy in the sense of pumpkin spice, if that makes sense. But I feel like out of all the things that I've tried this week so far, it's only been 2 things. The cereal, it smelled stronger than it tastes as far as pumpkin spice. And the pumpkin spice cheesecake muffin from Quick Trip yesterday, that was pretty good, but the cheesecake part didn't taste like pumpkin. It didn't taste like spice. It just tastes like regular cheesecake, even though it did have a pumpkin taste to it or whatever, but not that strong. But this is super strong, and I like it. I do like it. This is good. This was like $3.11. I got ink on my fingernail. This was like $3.11 at my Jack in the Box near me. For a regular size, it looked like it was $2.89 or $2.89. I want to say, and the large was $3.20. I think that's probably wrong. You probably want to pay more than $3.50 for the regular size. That's how big this one is. The large, that's just too much ice cream. Like, you gotta really be craving ice cream to get that. But yeah, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. I think I'm starting to like pumpkin spice, okay?